Hi, this is Andrew the Blacksmith coming to you from downtown Bangkok, and today I'm doing a review of a product which has put a very clever twist on things as far as the launch jacking community and getting free traffic and all those good things that we want to know more about. Okay, well it takes a little bit of study, but what it does, loop it. It works. So you using a combination of screen capture like Jing editor, you capture something like this. You can add your own text and point out how successful this has been, and then you add a GIF. Okay, are you getting an idea? Right, so what you do then, you put all this together in a slideshow, okay, like the Microsoft slideshow, okay, and then what you do, with no sound, you will film this for 60 seconds and make it into a video. And this is not hard to do. Okay, so what do you do next? You upload it to Facebook. Timing is crucial. You upload it a few days prior to whatever new thing you are launching or you're launching your review of. Okay, so there's Aidan and Jason, right? And then you get people to comment on it, like here it is here. Type hijacks below to find out how. And people want to know how this is done, so lots of them will be typing hijacks. Here's another one. Type stealth. So all these people are lining up to find out what it's all about. Of course, you like every comment and you reply, we'll get back to you soon. And then at the crucial moment, you PM them all in Messenger with your link. It's that simple. But it does take a little bit of coordination, and it's not hard to do. If you look on Facebook, you'll see a lot of people doing it already in various forms, but this one has got some clever twists. Now, of course, as usual, I've put together a fabulous set of bonuses for you when you buy through my link, which will be below in the comment section. And you certainly won't regret getting these. They'll be waiting for you in the members area once you've checked out. So, loop it. These bonuses will expire in 14 days, okay? So here's the price. And it's just littered with downsells. So the front end is $12.94. Jason Fulton is a very good man. The OTO one, there you are, downsells all the way. You can save a load of money there. Alright, so bonus tutorial 1 for Loop It is how to become excellent at copywriting. Number 2, how to become a super affiliate with Facebook ads using my ninja tactics. Bonus tutorial number 3, guaranteed top approval Facebook marketing. And a part of this great offer, Loop It, you do get some guaranteed affiliate links. Great for people who are starting out. Bonus tutorial 4. Bonus tutorial 5, how to make money buying and selling PLR. And bonus tutorial, well, we didn't have a number for that one, but 6 is all about brand authority. Okay, so there's that. If you can't trust a blacksmith, I don't know who you can trust. That man has patiently served the horse industry for many years, and now he lives in Thailand, and all success to him. He deserves a break. You do have to put the hammer down sometime, and I believe he has. So, alright, that's just me on the side. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at my bonuses. Andrew, also known as the Blacksmith Spears. Okay, well, this is him, that's me, the blacksmith, signing off with a rickapooty and a pandoogly.